Hey, Greta. Hey, Gunther. What's that?
You have to try it, Zoey! Mango Raspberry Giggly Bubbly-licious is the newest, coolest, most incrediblest, fizziest, bubbliest drink ever! Bye!
Whoa. Is it really that good?
Yeah, it is. That's why I brought you one.
Wow. Thanks, Henry. That's so good.
Wow. Zoey, do you always get hiccups like that?
Yep. Mega Beam Hiccups sort of run in my family. You should hear Gramps. Speaking of Gramps...
Time for a mission, Zoe. A goat is stuck in a tree in the park.
Ugh. Sorry.
Don't worry. After you get that goat, we'll try my famous cure. Have you hiccup-free in no time.
Thanks, Gramps. I'm off to save that goat.
Atta girl.
Let's go, Henry. Time to shine.
It's time to shine! Do you want to try that again?
Time to shine. It's bean time.
Go, Sneaks! Let's go!
Hey, Kipper. Aha! Thanks, Kipper.
Starbeam, you're here! Pickles and I just got to the park, and the next thing I knew, she was up in a tree. Again!
Don't worry, I'm here to... Don't worry, little goat. Starbeam is here to help. Here's your goat.
Thank you, Starbeam.
You're welcome.
Whoa! Don't worry. I've been getting Mega Beam Hiccups for years. I know every remedy in the book.
I'm okay.
Beam alert! Everyone move! On the double!
Oh, looks like that goat is up a tree again.
Again? How does it even get up there in the first place? Hiccups or not, that goat needs saving. Time to shine! I'm coming for you, Pickles.
She's gonna need a boost.
You come down from there!
Seriously? Pickles, stay.
I've got you covered, Starbeam.
Boost, she's afraid, and I can't get to her. Bubble beam, blast!
Pickles! Okay, thanks, Starbeam. But can I have my goat back now?
Ugh, it's stuck to the ground. Do you have any more mango raspberry giggly bubbly licious?
You know I do.
Great! Be right there. Thanks! I'm gonna use my hiccups to power up my superpowers. Might as well make it a big one. Come on, Hiccup. Bubble beam Beam Blast